Alrighty, thanks for coming to the channel. My little boy, this is my fault, not his. I had this removed because I was doing some work, and during his bath times, he decided to stick stuff in there, you know? And like I said, it's my fault because I let him show an opportunity to toss these things in it. So I started seeing him put this in there, and I caught a few of these out, fortunately, but a few things went down the drain or down the hole more, which is my fault again. So now I'm gonna get a cover, or I have a cover, I just didn't have the screws. But now I'm gonna now I'm gonna actually hurry up and take care of this. But in the meanwhile, these things do not dissolve. These are Legos, and these will clog up the drains big time. So I'm hoping I could get whatever's left. And I can't see anymore. I did this by feel. I actually had one of these claws I've had for years, and I used the claw to get things out. You know, I would just push this and it would get that out, right? But now it's so deep down in there, I can't see what I'm doing. Fortunately, I have an endoscope. So it's this guy here. It's called an endoscope. The endoscope actually has a camera and a light. So I'm gonna get this up. Let's get that booted up. I got this on Amazon if you're curious where it is. And what's cool about it, it actually has two cameras. It has one in the front. That's where you can kind of see me kind of blocking the front. And then on the side right here by the light, you can see my finger right there now. So you could change the views, and you also could take a picture or record it. I want the front on top. Actually, yeah, front on top. So let's take out this Velcro. Let's see if I get lucky. I can see how dirty this is. Whoa. Drains are dirty. Actually, I can record this, I think. Or take at least a picture. There we go. Huh? I see something there. Oh, there's a Lego right there. You see it? Up on top. Uh-oh, there's some beads. Oh, nice. Okay, it's clean now. See, it's clean. Let's go back down. There you go. Okay. I got a car in there. Okay. See that? Which way is it? You guys see that? I got a car in there. Oh. Let me see if I could get this guy in there. I'm on it. Oh yeah, come on. Oh wait! Almost had you. Turn that way. Come on. Ow! Almost had you. Damn it. Ugh. Almost had you. there. Come on. Let me move this camera out too. Oh! Ah, damn it. Almost had it. Okay. Ah! I need a magnet. Woo! Little sucker. Here we go. Okay, where are you at? Oh, I'm getting tired. Yeah. Where am I going? That way? No. Go this way. There you go. Oh! Nah, that wasn't good sound. I don't know what this is, but it's big. something more underneath. Uh-oh. Hey, back up.
Truck.
Fire truck.
Race car.
Race car. Oh, come on. Oi! Alright, dude. Oh, that's a big one. Woo! Look at that. Oi! Alright. What else is in there? Woo! Alright. So this actually helps. You can use this for a lot of things. I'll put a link in Amazon where to get this guy. It actually helped a lot. And you can use it for car stuff, obviously drain stuff, and other imaginary stuff you shouldn't talk about. I won't even go there. Maybe ear, orifice, but anyways, I think that's it. I don't think I could go anymore. Alright, cool. At least I got the big stuff. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.